Are you ready to discover how I turned a free AI tool into a money-saving and money-making machine? In today's video, I'm sharing exactly how I used ChatGPT to save money, make money fast, and boost my side hustles, all without any technical background. Yes, that's right. No coding. No special equipment. Just smart strategies and the right prompts. Let's dive right into it. Using ChatGPT to save money. Checkmark 1. Automated financial planning. I asked ChatGPT to help me build a simple monthly budget based on my income and expenses. It helped me visualize my spending, and I cut down unnecessary subscriptions immediately. Estimated savings? Around $150 in the first month alone. Checkmark 2. Meal planning and grocery lists. Instead of buying expensive takeout, I used ChatGPT to create weekly meal plans and low-cost grocery lists. I input my dietary preferences and budget, and it generated healthy meal ideas under $30 per week. This small switch saved me nearly $200 per month. Checkmark 3. Negotiation scripts for bills. When I wanted to lower my internet and phone bills, I used ChatGPT to create professional, polite negotiation scripts. I simply copied and pasted the message to customer service, and guess what? I got better deals from both companies. That's an extra $25 to $50 per month staying in my pocket. Checkmark 4. DIY instructions. From home repairs to tech troubleshooting, I saved hundreds by asking ChatGPT instead of hiring someone. Fixed a leaky faucet? Checkmark. Installed a new router? Checkmark. Saved over $300 in service fees across 3 months. Checkmark 5. Learning skills for free. I used ChatGPT as my personal tutor. It helped me understand Excel formulas, SEO basics, and social media marketing, skills I would have paid hundreds to learn. Instead of online courses, I got instant, tailored learning, totally free. Now let's talk about making money fast using ChatGPT. Money Bag 6. Freelancing with AI support. I started offering content writing services on Fiverr and Upwork with ChatGPT's help. I would input basic info, and ChatGPT generated blogs, product descriptions, and scripts quickly. This helped me earn my first $500 in less than a month, even as a beginner. Money Bag 7. Social media management. I began managing small business Instagram pages using ChatGPT to generate content ideas and captions. It helped me plan 30-day content calendars in just 30 minutes. Charged $150 per client, and landed 3 clients in the first week. Money Bag 8. Selling ebooks and digital products. With ChatGPT, I created short ebooks and printable planners to sell on Etsy and Gumroad. It helped write, format, and edit everything. I earned passive income of $10 to $30 per day just by selling digital downloads created in a weekend. Money Bag 9. YouTube scriptwriting. If you're a creator, you'll love this. ChatGPT helped me write full YouTube scripts, titles, and video descriptions in minutes. This boosted my channel growth and allowed me to take freelance jobs writing scripts for others, earning up to $100 per script. Money Bag 10. Resume and cover letter services. Using ChatGPT, I offered custom resume and cover letter writing services. With a few tweaks, I could deliver professional resumes fast, charging $20 to $50 per client. This side gig brought in over $700 in just a month. More ways ChatGPT helped me multiply my efforts. Upward trend time efficiency tasks that used to take me hours, like writing, brainstorming, and editing, now took minutes. This let me take on more clients, produce more content, and scale my freelance work. Bar graph smarter decisions. I used ChatGPT to analyze my spending habits, test marketing ideas, and even split test ad copy. It's like having a free assistant, mentor, and copywriter rolled into one. Hammer and wrench creative business ideas. I even asked ChatGPT to suggest side hustles based on my skills, and it gave me 20+ niche ideas. From dropshipping to voiceover gigs to writing newsletters, it unlocked creativity I didn't know I had. Real results, real fast. Checkmark first week equals $150 from freelance writing. Checkmark first month equals over $800 saved plus $600 earned. Checkmark ongoing equals multiple income streams and a smarter way of working. Final thoughts. The truth is, ChatGPT doesn't replace your effort, but it multiplies your productivity like crazy. Whether you're a student, freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to hustle smarter, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. With the right strategy, a clear goal, and some clever prompting, you can start saving and making money today. Bullseye. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, like the video, speech balloon, comment below if you've used ChatGPT in a cool way, bell, subscribe to the channel for more money hacks, side hustle tips, and productivity secrets using AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Rocket!